Stop guessing on why your alarm volume is lowering itself on your Pixel. This is exactly how you lock it at max without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing, but here at Rexis we know it is a physical input conflict or a gradual increase hang. Before you oversleep again, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck with a silent phone. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So your wake-up calls stay loud. The problem is that by default, the side buttons control the alarm volume. One groggy touch while snoozing mutes the next alarm. This is the authority fix from Rexis that guarantees your volume stays pinned. You might think it a bug, but that is a distraction. The secret trick that other creators missed is disabling the volume button control inside the clock app itself. Now, focus up because the dopamine hit of a loud, reliable alarm is seconds away. First, open the clock app, tap the 3 dots settings, and set volume buttons to snooze or dismiss, never control volume. Next, find gradually increase volume and set it to never. Finally, go to settings, sound, and vibration, and ensure adaptive sound is OFF, as it can auto-dim audio based on room acoustics. The Pixel alarm volume fix matrix feature action required volume button set to snooze/dismiss, not volume. Gradual increase set to never. Start to 100% immediately. Adaptive sound toggle off in system settings. Clock app clear cache to reset audio. Profiles export to sheets. If you follow me exactly, your alarms will stay at full blast. Comment below if you want the secret to volume lock apps that prevent any system changes.